Guys, welcome back again to my channel. So today's video I will be making banga and melon mixed together. So I have my ingredients here. I have my dry mackerel fish here. I have my melon blend with scent leaf and pepper, onions, crayfish. So in here I have my banga leftover. I have my salt to taste and my banga spices there. So as you can see, I've started boiling. The meat is on this gas cooking already. I don't want to waste too much time, so the meat, I'll be cooking the meat. So I will leave it to cook a little bit before I will add the rest ingredients. So I will cover it to continue cooking. So guys, we're about to check on the meat and add the rest ingredients. So yeah, I will be adding my banga. Then I will go ahead to add the egusi and the scent leaf. I will add water to it so that it can cook very well. So I'm going to stir and cover it to boil. Cover it to boil. So now I will add my banga spice. This is banga spice. So I've added no cube when I'm boiling the meat. So I'm not going to be adding anything for now. I will just leave it to boil. Then I will taste for salt. So I will go ahead to cover it now. I'll come back to check. So guys, the soup is boiling now. So I will check on it. So I will go ahead to add the dry mackerel fish. So then I will cover it now. I will just cover it and leave it until it's cooked. Everything is inside, salt is okay, so I don't need to add anything, just to cover it to cook. Then I will bring it down. So guys, we're about to check on the soup. As you can see, the soup is ready. This is banga and melon soup. So cute and delicious. Okay guys, the soup is ready. As you can see, I'm going to be eating it with my pounded yam. So look at the soup, the way it's looking yummy. So delicious. So guys, this will be the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all. Bye bye.